and thank you for joining me today. My name's Mackie, and I thought I'd share with you today how you assemble the Celebrate Today magnet board kit. So the kit comes in this box. It's like a pizza box. I'm going to open it this way just because it's easier. And then inside the kit, you get the pack of everything and all your bits and pieces there, and some instructions, and we're definitely going to need those, I think. And then the magnet board itself. So let me just remove the box out of the way because I don't think we're going to need the box. So let me undo the cellophane on this. So everything is packaged up lovely, so it would make a really nice gift too for a crafty friend, or even someone that isn't crafty, because these kits come with everything that you need inside them. So anyone wouldn't necessarily need all the stuff to do them. Everything is inside, so they wouldn't need any extras. I'm repeating myself here. So this is the actual magnetic board, and obviously you can and I think we're going to obviously need to get this out, so bend these back to pop our papers in. But let's have a little look at the actual kit and all the goodies inside that first. So let's undo this, see what we've got. So here we have, so that's just a piece of chipboard in there just to keep everything nice and flat. So we've got some papers to go in our board. So there's a cute little black with a white polka dot, a greeny, 2 shades of green with the diagonal line, a nice plaid in a grey tone and white, and then I think this has to be my favourite one, the pink ombre, which is lovely. I don't know though, I don't even know where I'm going to put mine yet. So right, what else? We'll leave the instructions for the moment. These make up 2 little pockets. We've got some double-sided tape. We have got in here the little clips, which they are magnetic. So they've got a little magnet there. So they magnetize on there. We have got in here, just put those there. In here we have got, what is in here? So we've got some cards. So these are little cards that we can, that you can write on, and then you could, so here you could have like a little shopping list, and then you can attach that and pop that on your board. So there's lots of those. I'm thinking I'm definitely going to use mine to plan my meals for the week. We are horrendous at never knowing what we're going to have from one evening to the next, so I'd like to become a little bit more organized. So these are all really nice. Some pretty patterned ones, some stripy ones. There's one there with numbers, and then you can tick off when you've done it. So yeah, they're almost a bit like the Memories and More cards. And here we have got, so these kits are for, obviously we are a global company, so obviously we've got, I think this possibly is German, so we don't need that one. So this is the British version, that's Dutch I think, and French maybe. So I'm going to move them out of the way because we don't need those. So these are these are sticky, I believe. Yeah, they are. So you've got this: dream, happiness is in the journey, grateful, love this, celebrate today, today I'm creating, remember this, and then there's all these. And what is also nice is that you could actually also make your own with using a stamp set that you like, and make your own. Again, these are self-adhesive, so they just peel off and stick. And then there's some more there as well. So that's really, really good. So a double-sided tape and my cards I'm going to put to one side. And then the instructions. So it is telling me, so this is interesting. So the paper, according to this, you must have to, let's just have a look at this. You must have to pop this out a little bit. And then you pop the paper in. I'm going to have it this way round. And what is also fun is that if you wanted, you could actually change it up completely and put in, like, if you have a favorite DSP, because you know we all hoard our DSP, you could actually put a bit of your DSP in that you love. So there's my DSP in. So that's that in. So I'm going with the pink one, although I may change my mind. Who knows? So the instructions here, let's see what it says. So again, it tells you, this bit tells you everything that's what's what. And all your little bits and pieces. There's a little, I always like the finished picture because, to be fair, I don't really ever follow the instructions. But it's telling me to first off assemble one of these pockets. So let's have a little look. So there's some little score lines on here. Yeah. So concertina in that back. Let me just grab my bone folder too. I'm just going to move those papers out of the way, or that paper out of the way. So you don't actually need a bone folder for this because they are all pre-scored, but I do like to, so that's a little pocket. So I'm just going to now grab my little roll of tape here. So who's already watching this thinking, I could get some friends together and we could make this bottle of wine and sit and make this one evening. Be a really nice evening. Some nibbles, bottle of wine, and sit and assemble this together. So I'm just now going to peel the back off of the tape. And you can do them so you have both sides. So I've just automatically gone for the ginghamy side, but you could actually have it the green side too, which is quite fun. I'm just going to push that down and then they're going to stick together. So there's one of my little pockets. I'm going to put one of the clips on here. And straight away, how cute is that? So a little pocket there, so you could put little notes in there. I don't know what you could put in there, all sorts really. They're quite a good size. I think I am, oh, no, I can't decide. I think I am going to go with the pink side, I think. Pink side. Or that. I don't know. I think pink. I'm a pink girl. So let's concertina this again. So again, like I say, you don't overly need a bone folder for this. But I think it's the crafter in me that wants to just burnish my score lines. And again on there. And then I'm just going to fold that over and then, oh, It needs to come out a little bit. There we go. And I'm just going to give that a... And again, pop the little magnet on. And there we go, we have 2. So this is, it's really nice that it's quick. So if you haven't crafted before, sometimes it's nice to have something that kind of assembles quickly in your face, in front of your eyes, because it's more pleasing. There's nothing worse than putting something together and it takes ages to make, and you get bored almost before you've even got very far with it. So some of these, so the instructions now show me to stick some flowers on. So I'm just going to grab, see, I'm quite a, I like flowers, but I also like a bit of a butterfly girl. So let's, so how does that butterfly sit? Hopefully you can see. So I'm going to stick that on there. And I'm going to stick the butterfly so it looks like it's going to land on the... Oh, I'm just going to try and sneak a couple of leaves underneath that there. So you can really go sort of quite creative and do your own thing. They are actually quite easily to peel off, which is kind of handy. I'm just going to see if I was going to put a little label on it, but I don't think I am. I'm going to leave that one quite blank. I'm going to use this one on here. I'm going to put a couple of flowers. So 1, 2. That's going to then go through the middle. I'm going to add some. It's quite handy that they kind of open up a little bit or peel back off, so you can, if you change your mind and you want to kind of reposition it, you can. So there we go, there's that. I almost might add some little diamantes, I think. I'm going to just add that little flower there. I think I quite like that. Might have that little flower there. So that and that. What else have we got? So what else does it say on the instructions? I think I'm just about there. Oh, so they have used, look, on the menu. So let's find one of those little, one of these cards. This one would be perfect, I think. Would it be? Which one have they used? They've actually got a little menu card here. This one would work. On the menu, there, and then I can, so now I can do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and on the menu. And I'm going to just find one more card. I quite actually like that grey one. And oh, I quite like this. Remember this. Oh, I don't know. Now I'm putting it back. I'm changing my mind. Celebrate today. I quite like that. So have I got any? I'm going to go kind of centre or just a little bit off. Oh, decisions. I'm going to go central. And then I'm going to pop another butterfly there. And I need another little do-free. So I don't know how I'm gonna organize these. I'm hoping I can squeeze another one in. You get the idea though. Oh no, so they've got 4 on there, so I don't overly need to pop anymore. Oh, they have here though. So they've got, oh, the calendar. That's quite cool with the days on and stuff. I think you get the idea though that you can personalize it as much as you want, really. I'm going to put a little love heart on the corner there. How cute is that? How cute. And 15 minutes and it is assembled. I really quite like that. I don't know if I'm loving that butterfly, but I can easily get that off. I'm going to actually put the butterfly on there. Is it going to be in the way though? Maybe that's a bad idea. Phew, they do peel off easily. Oh, I'm going to have a butterfly on there. There we go. Does this need another leaf though? Does it need another leaf? So lucky how they just kind of you can manage to peel them off and without causing too much. They don't damage the paper or anything. She says, and she'll rip the paper, you wait. There we go. I'm really loving that. Really liking that. Super cute, hey? So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Oh, and I forgot to say, if you would like to purchase your own kit, you can head over to my my blog, which is www.lauramackie.co.uk, and then on the right hand side, click shop now. Thank you. Bye bye.